So I want to show you how to generate 3D models from 2D photos, which can be used for 3D printing, movies, or game assets. First thing you have to do is to take pictures around your subject. The more number of pictures you take, the better. This process is actually straightforward if you're used to taking pictures, but I still recommend you checking out the manual, which I linked in the description below. When this is done, bringing your pictures into a software. The software I'm using is Agisoft, which is not free, but you can get a 30-day trial version to see if this is what you want. There are also free software out there, I know, but this is okay for me. And so bring in your pictures and just try and follow the step as I'm doing. For a start, the default settings are okay. Just accept it and click OK and move on, just like I'm doing here. So here I'm just trying to clean up my sparse cloud. You don't have to do this, but this is just to expedite the process for me. Here I'm just building the dense cloud. So you do that by going to workflow and click on build dense cloud. As usual, you don't have to do anything. You can just accept the default setting and click OK and wait for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on the complexity of your geometry. So this is the dense cloud. I just want to clean it up a bit because I don't need this extra artifact. Then what I'm doing here now is to build the mesh by following the same tab, that is workflow, and click build mesh. And this is the last step. I want to build the texture. So the same way, go to workflow and click build texture. And now it's done. You can see the final model. Then you can export it in whichever formats you like. So I also made this lamp from the same technique, that is from pictures, as you can see here. And that is all for this tutorial. Eshi.